मेसेजेस भरपूर येतात की लाईक कोणी हिंदीमध्ये बोलत नाही, आम्हाला समजत नाही. सो आय विल बी स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश एज वेल एज हिंदी टुडे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द मॅन हू इज स्टँडिंग हिअर is Shivaji Maharaj for us, right? So we salute him. Secondly, what you mean by Maharajya card? People don't understand what is Maharajya card and why these people are speaking in Marathi, but it's not about the language. It's about the people who can come to this firm and make their life economically better as well. This card is actually a lifeline to each and every person of each and every community, not only Maharashtrian people, as well as it is been framed. The concept which this person has created, it is the effort of almost 12 years what he has planned. So we should actually see to it what exactly it is, and we should learn from it. Okay, what does it speak? The Maharajya card is a card what states that if you purchase it, don't give the word like investment. There are people who say कि भाई ये 10,000 में इधर डालो, ये इन्वेस्टमेंट में मेरे को रिटर्न क्या मिलेगा. अरे जब 10,000 डाल के तुमको 20,000 रुपया ऐसे मिलता है, वो मस्त है. ये कार्ड का क्या है, ये कौन यूज. पर आपको ये बताने की मैं ये करूँगा कि लाइक when you put this 10,000 rupees in this card, when you purchase this card, you get a top up of almost 18,000 rupees. So 18,000 rupees is equal to like 8,000 more what you are paying for. Okay, and in that case, this card is basically been framed for what? For the basic necessity of everyone's human life. What are your basic amenities? Like, can you tell me? What are your basic amenities?
Food,
shelter, and
clothes.
Food is been provided by CAC.
Yes.
Then
Clothes have been provided by CAC.
clothes have been provided by
Shelter
CAC.
is also
Shelter is also provided by CAC. So what else you want? That's the main thing. So even there are 24 facilities which have been provided by the company. You can use that card. See, there is a limit out of it. So like everything is being planned and everything is been framed properly so that the company should work properly with all people around. You have 24 facilities in it where you can educate your people, your children, where you don't have to think about okay, how much money I have to spend for my children's education. Secondly, for fooding, people here who are there can easily buy something whatever they wish by using this card. It's not that like, oh my god, we are just having less amount, how could we do it? But here the company is providing you more of the amount for what you are paying.
Yes.
Right, sir? So I would request everyone ki please purchase this card and you can solve all your economical problems entire life. This is the good thing for all the businessmen as well. I own a hotel in Mahabaleshwar as well as bungalows in Panchgiri. I give it on lease and I'm doing very good in it. But it's by Mira Vatika, the Mahabaleshwar hotel, and by Mira Villa in Panchgiri. I'm doing good. I'm earning also good out of it. But when I came to this company, I was being bought by one of my friend Kunal Shirsagar as well as one Sandeep Guar. And when I was introduced in this company, it was like अरे यार क्या किधर लेके आया है, मैं अपना होटल में बैठता हूँ अच्छे से, मेरे को उधर करने दे. बोला तू हाँ भाई एक बार तो आजा, एक बार आके सर से मिल ले, तुझको क्या लगता है तू देख ले, तू ऑलरेडी बिजनेसमैन है, तू काय को. मैं बोला चल भाई मैं आता हूँ, क्या कितना भरने का बोल, मेरे को जाने दे, वापस जाने का महाबलेश्वर. When I came here, when I came across with this person out here, I actually believe there is someone who is thinking for poor people, and that is Mr. Kishore Kakade. He is like a god for us. So that's true. The things what he have created, many of the people are here for social cause. Everyone says, I am a social worker, I do this, I do that. You know what this person has done? He has given his best till the date. He even provides food for the people who come every day to the office by afternoon time. So that's the very big thing. He doesn't see to it whom I'm spending for whom. Whoever comes in the afternoon time. So that doesn't mean only for eating food come here. So he does that. So and secondly, during lockdown, he has provided food for all the people who are not able to get that. The videos were being shared actually in the groups. So seriously, sir has done a lot till the date, since only like within 1.5 years. Right, sir? 1.5 years? It's been 1.5 years and we have seen so much out of it. Now, about me, I own a hotel in Mahabaleshwar as well as Panchgini. But the same situation what I was wondering कि like क्या करूँ इधर आके यार, मेरा अपना होटल अच्छा है उधर से कमा रहा हूँ. ये सिचुएशन मुझे ये लॉकडाउन ने सिखा दी कि like where exactly a businessman also stands. सबको गिरा दिया कोरोना ने, सबको अपनी वो दिखा दी औकात. बिजनेसमैन हो या गरीब हो. Today, but I was so damn free. I've seen my other people who are into business and all. They literally cry because even I like because of this corona thing. I'm into also a deficit of almost 15 lakh. But I never felt that because I was joined to CAC.
क्या बात है?
I really gained a lot from it. I was able to release all my pressures, financial pressures, because obviously I'm a very young person to have a hotel in such age, and that was not given by like I had bought a loan from the banks, and I have done it. So there are a lot of pressure over me also. So but because of being in CAC, I released all my pressures, not 100%, but I could say 80%. So even 80% is much more for me in this stage. So I mean to say, if the CAC is not only for the people who are like, you know, working or something, but it is for all the business person, and one day everyone would admit this and has to come in CAC. That's what I could appeal you all, कि you start working for CAC. It's the great firm, and you would release all your pressures what you have in your life, and you would be happy with your family too.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
महाराष्ट्राचे आराध्य दैवत शिवाजी महाराज, छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांना मानाचं वंदन करून आणि या काक परिवाराचे सर्वसेवा आमचे पितामह काकडे सरांसाठी जोरदार टाळ्या झाल्या. मराठी पाऊल पडते पुढे.
त्यामुळे बोलला त्या काट्या बारा झोपायला लागेल महाभारताला स्वतः पितामह. पितामह कसा झोपला होता काट्यावर, मला काय झोपायचं नाहीये.
मराठी पाऊल पडते पुढे. अभिमान आहे. मी अदर भाषिक किंवा आधी जातीच्या ऑपोजिट नाही आहे, सॉरी सगळ्यांना, पण एक मराठी व्यक्ती सर्वसामान्य जनतेसाठी एक उचललेला विडा, आणि मी मराठी आहे आणि सर मराठी आहेत, त्याचा मला अभिमान आहे की सरांसाठी की सर मराठी आहेत आणि एक विडा उचललाय सर्वसामान्यांसाठी. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, मी थोडेसे अनुभव शेअर करीन फक्त. मी काय वक्ता नाही आहे, पण लॉकडाऊनच्या काळात पंकज सर जसे बोलले की कोरोनाने खूप काही शिकवलं, तर लॉकडाऊनच्या काळात मी पण एअरपोर्टला 10 वर्ष जॉब केला आणि या इंडस्ट्रीला गेली 18 वर्ष आहेच. पण लॉकडाऊनच्या काळामध्ये पहिला 1 महिना गेला, सगळ्यांनी आनंद घातला असेल, घरी सुट्टी मिळाली म्हणून, पण लोकांना माहित नव्हतं की पुढे किती दिवस वाढतील. नंतर काही मित्रांचे वगैरे जे काही कॉन्टॅक्ट आले किंवा फोन आले, प्रत्येक जण म्हणत होता की कसं आहेस, तर मी नेहमी म्हणतो मी मजेत आहे. कोणाचा फोन आला कसा आहेस तर मजेत आहे, पण समोरच्याचं होतं की काय चाललंय, अरे म्हणतो नोकरीवाल्यांचं आमचं काय पेमेंट नाही मिळत आहे, आम्हाला नोकरीवर ठेवतील की नाही. पण या लॉकडाऊनच्या काळामध्ये फक्त एकच, ज्या माणसाने आम्हाला हसत आणि जगायला शिकवलं त्या कोरोनाच्या काळात, हे असे आमचे राजा काकडे सर. आणि आता एकच आवाहन करीन की ते महाराष्ट्र कार्ड आहे हे म्हणतो की ते कंपनीसाठी करू नका, तुम्ही स्वतःसाठी, स्वतःच्या कुटुंबासाठी जगवण्यासाठी तरी निदान घ्या. आणि अजून एक गोष्ट की लोक म्हणतात की इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्लॅन, आपण ही जी काक कंपनी आहे किंवा आमचा परिवार आहे हा सर्व्हिस देतोय. जर तुम्ही 10,000 भरताय, बरोबर नाही, 10,000 भरून आपण 18,000ची खरेदी करणार आहोत. पण मी एक प्रश्न विचारतोय, आज ऑनलाईन मध्ये सगळे बघत असाल, 10,000 भरल्यानंतर तुम्हाला बँकेत जर किंवा पोस्टात ठेवलं तर तुम्हाला वर्षभर वाट बघावी लागते, बरं ना. तर मी म्हणतो ज्यांचा आज ज्यांनी 2-3 महिन्यापूर्वी ज्यांनी कार्ड घेतलाय, 1 महिना जर पेमेंट लेट झालं असेल तर तुम्ही बोंबावून करताय. आपण सर्व्हिस देतोय आणि तुमचे पैसे तर सिक्युअर आहेतच, तुम्हाला सर्व्हिस घ्यायचं आहे, चांगल्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही ते वापर करून घ्या आणि कुटुंबासाठी निदान एकदा तरी कार्ड खरेदी करा, असं मी करतो. धन्यवाद.